Hello, so let's start solving this problem. Factorials of large numbers. Here we have given an integer n and we have to find it out its factorial, and we have to written it down all the integers denoting the digits that make up the factorial of n. You can see here, if we have given 5, then we have to multiply from 1 to 5. The result will be 120, and each index is stored in a vector. Okay, so like this way, if we have given 10 as input, then we have to multiply from 1 to 10, and then uh, we will get this result, and this result at each index. Okay, like this way. The constraint is 1 to 10 raised to 3. Okay, here you can see the time complexity for this of n square. Okay, so let's assume, not assume, that we have to just give the brute force approach here. Let's multiply, let's find it out this 120. Okay, for this, what I have to do, just we have to multiply 1 with 1, right? So this will be what, 1. Okay, again we have to multiply this one. Okay, this one with 2, then we will get 2. Okay, again we have to multiply this 2 with next 3. Okay, so this will be our result 6. Again this 6 multiply by 4. Okay, what we have to do here, we have to just multiply the previous multiplication, and we have to just increment this number. Okay, so this will be 24, right? Here you can see 24 multiplied by 5. Here is the catch. Here you can see 24 multiplied by 5, 2 and 4. Here what we have to do, you can see, as in our fifth or fourth standard we learn that we have to multiply this 5 with this 4, right? Here I am just doing that multiplication. 2 4 5s are 20. Okay, so the carry will be 2. Okay, and again this 5 multiplied by 2, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus carry 2. Okay, 10 plus carry 2, 12. Okay, the result will be 2 1, right? So this is our result, right? We have to written it down this, but how we will do this thing with the help of vectors? Here you can see we are storing these elements in vector. Okay, one by one. Here also you can see 4 6 are 4 first and then 2. Okay, so we just have to store elements one by one. If we store 20, sorry, 5 4s are 20. Okay, so 0 will be stored first, the 2 carry, and then 5 2s are 10. Then we have to add this carry to our multiplication. Okay, again if we have to find it out the sixth as well, so let's consider 120 multiplied by 6. The answer will be 780 around, I guess. Okay, let's find it out. 1 2 2 0 6. Okay, so here the multiplication will be 0, right? Again 6 2s are 12, so this will be into 2, carry will be 1, right? 6 6 6 ones are 6 plus carry 1, so our final answer will be 7. Here what I did, I just multiplied this 6 with each index, and while if you found carry, then we have to just store the carry. Okay, and the next time we have to just add the carry. And okay, so I have created some visualization for this. Okay, here you can see, here what I have to do, I am declaring a vector and we are storing first element in the vector. Okay, so the first element will be 1, we stored it, then we have to multiply it 2. Okay, so after multiplication, here the operation is that, as I said, here we have to multiply it and just add the carry at each point. So this will be our multiplication and we are adding the carry, and this will be our answer. Okay, so we are just updating it for zeroth index. Okay, the next time if we multiply by 3, then 6 will be updated. Same 4, here the catch, 4 if you multiply by 4, then 6 fours are 24. The 4 will be added at zeroth index. Okay, and 2 will be on the next index. 4, the first 4 is stored, the new carry is 2, so the carry will be added, appended to the next index. Okay, again we have to multiply this with 5. Okay, so if we multiply with 5 with this index 4, like index at 0 the value is 4, the value will be 20, the carry will be 2. Okay, so again we have to multiply this 2 with 5, then the carry will be 2. Okay, the same way we have to multiply at each index with 6. Okay, if we multiply 6 here, 2 1 will be carry. This- if we multiply 6 with 1, then 6, and we got our answer. Just we have to reverse the given array, we will get final result. Okay, if we reverse the given array, so for this, what I have written it down, the code, complete code. Here I have declared this answer vector. Okay, and first time I am just pushing the first element. Okay, here is the for loop which I use from first index to the last index. The carry is stored first 0. Here I am multiplying each index with ith value. Okay, you can see the first two. Okay, the first, here you can see array of each index. The zeroth index will be multiplied by 2. The first index will be multiplied by 2, just like that, and we are just adding the carry at each point, and we are storing the first element at the array of, like, answer of first index. Okay, and also we are uh, storing the carry at each point. Here at the last moment, if we found the carry is still there, then we are just adding to the our answer, and the final we have to just reverse the given answer. Okay, so this will be our answer. Here the time complexity for this of n square. Okay, thank you.